The Simpsons Hit and Run Setup Video Tutorial by Critch. Part 1. Downloading the files. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial detailing how to set up the Simpsons Hit and Run for PC. In this video tutorial, I will be providing a basic overview of how to set up the Simpsons Hit and Run, or SHA for short, as if it was your first speed game. This setup video will show you how to download the Simpsons Hit and Run for PC, how to set up Lucas's mod launcher, how to download LiveSplit, including how to set up pre-made splits and a layout, and finally, how to set up a first-time layout for OBS for streaming and recording purposes. Feel free to skip the sections that don't apply to you. To download the Simpsons Hit and Run, you will need to go to the starter pack portion of the SHA Discord. A link will be available in both this video's description and online on the leaderboards. Once here, you will need to navigate to the first step of this guide and click the link. Once in the Google Drive, you will need to download the 4 required files. The first file to download is fullgame.zip. This will provide you with a full working version of SHA. The second file that you will need to download is NoCD. This will provide you with a specific EXEX file that works with LiveSplit. Failure to download this will result in your auto splitter not working. Next, you need to double click on external resources. Once on external resources, you need to navigate to the Lucas mod launcher section and download it from the Donut Team website. Scroll down and download the latest version. Lucas's mod launcher is essentially required for SHA in order for the game to be functional and a playable level. Go back to the external resources and click the LiveSplit option. Once on LiveSplit, click Downloads and download LiveSplit. This is the main timing method that the majority of the SHA community uses and is required if you would like to use in-game time in your run submission. The following 2 files are optional, but they are here if you would like to use them. The first optional file is a generic layout for LiveSplit. If you have your own layout, feel free to use that. The next optional file is the All Story Missions LiveSplit file. This is the main category that the SHA community recommends that you begin with. You can create your own splits if you like, but these will provide you with a pre-made working split with the proper mission names. I will now jump forward in time to when all of these files have been downloaded. Once downloaded, locate the files in your download folder and drag them onto the desktop for ease of use. Use either WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the 4 zipped folders. Part 2. VSync/Enhanced Sync Fix. Before we start setting up the game in the mod launcher, we are going to change one setting in our NVIDIA control panel/AMD panel to help with game loads, frame rate and potential stuttering. If you don't currently have an NVIDIA control panel or an AMD panel, you can download them online or via the Microsoft Store. I'll provide a working link in the description of this video for both of them. As I have an NVIDIA's graphics card, I will do this for the NVIDIA control panel. If you need a tutorial for the AMD panel and their enhanced sync option, I'll provide a link in the description. Navigate to the NVIDIA control panel through the Start settings. Click on Manage 3D Settings. Scroll down to the vertical sync option. Go to the drop down menu and click Fast and then press Apply. Once it's been applied, click off. This will help out with game loads, frame rate and potential stuttering. Shout out to BakerMan12 and the HD Crash Bandicoot Discord for this fix. Part 3. Setting up SHA and Lucas's mod launcher. Firstly, you will need to place the correct EXEX file into the SHA game files. Open up the extracted NoCD folder as well as the full game folder. Simply drag and drop the EXEX files into the SHA game folder. You may be prompted to replace the files found in this directory at this time. Simply replace them. The next thing we're going to do is set up Lucas's Simpsons Hit and Run mod launcher. Double click the mod launcher. You may be prompted to sign into Donut Team at this point. This is simply an optional step if you would like to. Before we go any further, I'm going to link a video by Keith Ram. This video goes into a good level of detail of how to set up the mod launcher, including descriptions of the mods. I highly recommend you check out this video by Keith Ram, as it does a great job explaining how the mod launcher works. I'm also going to link the whitelist for the mods available in the speedrun in the description. So, what mods do I use? I use Direct3D9. Direct3D9 improves compatibility with newer GPUs, so it essentially makes the CPU less burdened. The next mod I use is the frame limiter. I'm just going to press right click in settings. I'm going to link a document made by Vapo, which covers the pros and cons of each frame rate, as well as some of the other settings found in the frame limiter. I use 200 FPS, limit whilst on menus, busy wait, and load files while waiting. The next mod I'm going to use is Rebindable Menu Gamepad Inputs. This means that when I press start on my gamepad, it will pause the game. And the final mod that I'm going to use is Xinput. Xinput allows me, who has an Xbox 360 controller, to be able to press both triggers at the same time. If you have any other controller issues, please ask in the setup help portion of the Discord. The next part is preference, but I like to play on 4:3 with a resolution of 1280 by 960. And also in windowed mode. You may be prompted to find the correct EXEX file when you launch the game. Simply go to your full game directory and press the EXEX file when prompted. Next, we shall load the game. The first thing we're going to do when we load the game is to start a new game. After we start a new game, we're going to make a tutorial save. So you don't have to watch the tutorial every time you start a new run. Simply pause the game, go down to the save game option, top slot, and press save. I'm going to exit program. In terms of control layout, everybody is different. Some people prefer to play with triggers for accelerating, whilst others use buttons for most of their general movement. If you go to the setup FAQ portion of the Discord, there will be a link to a thread of common control combinations to give you some inspirations or ideas. A top tip is to have a familiar control scheme that has worked for you on other games in the past. Part 4. Setting up LiveSplit. This portion of the tutorial will be LiveSplit. I will be showing you how to integrate a generic layout, as well as incorporating the all-story mission splits that we have downloaded. This tutorial won't be showing you how to customize LiveSplit or how to customize keybinds. There will be a link to 4th Gen Gamers tutorial on how to set up splits from scratch and how to customize the layout, keybinds, or just how to generally get the splits looking how you personally want it. Firstly, launch the LiveSplit application. Double click the folder, scroll down and go to the application. The first thing we want to do is to import the generic layout. Right click the splits, scroll down to open layout, press from file, go to the desktop and click generic layout. The next thing we need to do is to import the all story mission splits. Similarly, that's right click, open splits, from file and press all story mission splits. Next, we will need to enable the auto splitter for this game, as well as ticking which splits the auto splitter is looking for. This means you won't have to manually split for each split, as it will do it for you. To do this, we need to right click the layout and press edit splits. We will now need to activate the auto splitter made by Zoton and Pessimistic Mango. We will then need to press settings. We will now need to press all of the story missions, which is all the missions in the game. I will speed this up for you. To test, we are going to open up Char and see if the auto splitter starts. Load the tutorial save in the menu and click resume game. As you can see, the auto splitter has started on 40.9 seconds. Part 5. OBS setup. This portion of the tutorial will cover OBS. This tutorial won't go into an insane amount of detail of how to set up OBS, only giving you the basics on how to set it up for recording and streaming Char. Firstly, download OBS. You can find this link for this in the description below. Open up OBS Studio and make a new scene named Char Stream. Once you have created Char Stream, press the plus button on the sources menu. Go to window capture. This is assuming you have Char and LiveSplit already up and running. Name Char Gameplay and find the Char window. Move the gameplay to the right hand side, go to the top left square and drag it to the top. The next thing we need to do is do the same but for the LiveSplit application. Press the plus button down the bottom in the sources, go to window capture again, name it LiveSplit and find the LiveSplit application. Similarly, press the right square on the top right, move it so it's in line on the left hand side as so, and move Char Gameplay onto the top so it covers any missing area or dark gap between them. The final thing we need to do is fill this black box. This is optional, you can fill it with a webcam or you can fill it with an image. I'm going to fill it with an image, so press the plus button, go to image, I'm going to name it Moleman, browse, my Moleman pictures on the desktop, and then move it into the gap. You can then lock the sources to avoid them moving. Finally, we will go over brief recording / stream settings. I am not a professional when it comes to this sort of stuff, so I'm only giving you a brief view of the settings here. You can find many tutorials online which show various different OBS settings, as everyone's PC is different. To sort out the settings, go to File, Settings, and then Output. Change the output mode to Advanced, and then we're left with this screen here. I prefer to have my encoder as NVIDIA NX H264/new. I want a constant bitrate, and then my bitrate is going to be 2500. If you have a poor PC or a laptop, you can drop this down to 500 or 1000. If you have a really good PC, you can bump this up to 3500 or 4000 if you wish. Under the recording tab, everything is basically the same, except we're going to record at 6000 bitrate. I would like to record an MP4 and set it to a videos folder. Your stream key is your stream key from Twitch. The video, now this is where if you have a bad PC, you can do some things to enhance your stream. The base canvas resolution should always be 19 by 20 times 10 by 80. The output / scaled resolution for myself is 1280 times 720. If you have a bad PC, then I recommend you going down to 480. But as I have a middle PC, I'm going to go 720. FPS, if you have a bad PC, I recommend 30. If you have a decent PC, then I recommend 60. You can find out your bitrate by doing a speed test and converting it into a speed / bitrate converter. In conclusion, if you have any further questions regarding the setup of SHA, do not hesitate to go to the setup portion of the Speedrun Discord under Setup Help or Setup Frequently Asked Questions. There are many amazing members of the community that would love to help you out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.